Quesadillas, so easy. You need 4 things. You need a pan, cast iron is ideal, but any non-stick or stick pan will work. You need flour tortillas. You need cheese, broken cheese, the shredded taco or Mexican blend from your grocery store dairy aisle is actually perfect. And last thing you need is butter. Just assume you'll always need butter. We can always add more stuff if we want to upgrade this, and we'll get to that in a minute. But those 4 things will get you where you need to go. Step 1 is get your pan hot. Put it over medium heat, and when it's getting good and hot, toss in a little butter, say a tablespoon. When your butter's done bubbling, carefully lay a tortilla in there and sprinkle your cheese on top, keeping it as even a layer as you can without getting crazy about it. Now this is where you'd add in your other ingredients if you're using them. Stuff like sauteed onions and peppers, maybe some leftover chicken, thin sliced steak, whatever you have on hand. Just stay away from like gummy bears and shit like that. Lay another tortilla over the cheese, give it a gentle squish, and wait a minute or 2. When the cheese is melty and the bottom has browned a bit, give it a flip. If the cheese is melted enough, that should glue the top tortilla in place, so flipping it shouldn't be too tricky. Then, same thing. Wait a minute or 2, check the bottom, and when it's browned, you're done. I told you it was easy, and it's cheap, and the kids go bananas for it as an after-school snack. Just cut it like a pizza and dig in. Sour cream and salsa are the classic sides. Thank you for watching. If I helped you today, please help me by subscribing and liking, and then we'll all be helping each other and the world will be wonderful. Enjoy your cheese. Peace.